Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came in another video, guys. So as you see, guys, what the market doing here, as you see it. By the way, before we go more further analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. Every day 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be very well informed about the market. It's very simple. There is a red button down, click at it, you're going to be subscribed, and next to it there is a small bell, click at it and turn it to all. So like that, when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or another thing, you can even join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. The Telegram link of our channel is it down in the first comment. Go to it and join us there, guys. You done it? Welcome to family, guys. So as you see, guys, here what the Bitcoin done for us here. Let's zoom it. What did I told you yesterday, guys, here? People, they follow me, write it down in a comment. What did I told you yesterday here? In that place and that candle here. I told you that one is a pregnant woman. Look at it. It look like the tummy of a pregnant woman. Yes or no? I say that in the last video, guys. What that red candle doing here? That one today, what's it doing? Same thing, guys. Give us here another button here inside that one. As you see it, guys. Now what you going to do? By the way, that red candle here and that one indicating that one here, that green one, is just a small doji, guys, like that. Why? Look with me. Where is the opening of that red candle? Is here. Where is the opening of that red candle? Is it here? Where is the close of that one? Is it down here? So if you came and you put in the close of that one and that one, what it's indicating to you, guys? All those people here, the reds, they pushing from down and from up. Me, I'm trying to make here that 3 candle together. So now if you go into 3 days, it's going to look to you like that. A small doji, guys. Another one is more advanced level of technical analysis, but that's how us we do it, guys. Now, what is it the view for the Bitcoin, guys? Now also we doing all those things. What is it the view for the Bitcoin, guys? The Bitcoin view, guys, you still here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? Look at it. It's very clear now. But you still in a very stronger downtrend. That one is just the smaller trend, guys. So we don't want to show you the bigger picture. But you're still in a smaller downtrend, guys. Yes, that one, it give you here like a triangle, but should you enter now? No, guys. It's not yet. It's still very early for you to enter, guys. Let me show you my chart, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. What I got in my chart. Look at it. What I got. Look here. The top of the channel. It came there. It touched it. It started falling. That white one here, that one is the long-term trend as we've been following from 2014. That level here, that one with yellow, the support and resistance level, so we draw it. When it came to it yesterday here, what it indicating to you, guys, here. Look at it. Indicating to you that level is still very stronger, guys. That's what I told you in the last video. I told you in the last video, guys, it might that one here, forget about the past, it might that one here, like that, going back to that one, is going to fall down and to give you another low. Is it complete? Not yet, guys. Why? Look with me here. What I told you hasn't came down and break for you the last low. Yes, that support here is still very stronger, but there is no big power to push lower, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get what I'm saying or no? Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in our indicator, guys, by the way, I know you are a subscriber in our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it now. Helping us growing up more that channel, please. See, us we give you very in-depth analysis, guys, and we still very small channel. We just got 1,000 subscribers. Smashing the like and writing for us a comment, helping us, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So as you see, guys, here, what we got here in our indicator. Look with me here, close here. What our indicator giving you here. Last time we told you here 3 in the top, 2 in down, here in that place. Same thing happened, it fall down here. Now he came here to the one as you see it, guys. What's it indicating to you? It's falling down, guys, yes? And even if you came here like that from that zone to that zone, what you see? It's a wedge. And that wedge when we are going to 4 hours is going to be very clear. It came up here. It touched the top of it. Now it needs to come down to touch the lower of it. Where is it? The lower of it. The lower of it is here. So it's going to break for us that trend line as we have here. That one, by the way, is not stronger. The stronger one is the up one. That one here. That one is the long-term trend. Oh no, I think it's going to fall down till that level here. We have it at 35. Then we're going to see if it's going from there to reverse or no. If it's not, it's going to go to the oversold area, guys. And at the right time for us to buy. And I'm going to tell it to you here in the channel. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notifications. So like that, when there is a buying signal here in the daily, I'm going to give it to you and you can benefit from it, guys. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple to join us. You can subscribe to our channel. There is a small red button, click at that, and next to it the bell notification, turn it to all. Or you can join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. Go and join it. So when we put in a new video like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it, my friend? Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, what I told you yesterday about it. Look with me here and here. What I told you about that one and that one. You got a divergence, guys. It's very clear divergence. Should you enter now? No, guys, not yet. Not yet. No, it needs to come to break for you that trend line here. If it doesn't break it, don't enter long, guys. You get what I'm saying or not? If it's break it for you, look with me. What is going to give you here? You came here, and you came like that. You got a triangle, guys. And the market like that is going to give you a double bottom, guys. Like that, and like that, and like that. But if it came and breaking for you that level here, guys, that level, may I say it, level, not a line. If it came and breaking for you that level here, guys, you're going to see the Bitcoin very, very low. Why? Look with me very close, guys, what you see in here. Look here, 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 and here, and here, and here. What you seeing, guys, is a head and shoulder, guys. And I show you all those things in the previous videos, guys. The Bitcoin, I tell you, the Bitcoin is always falling by head and shoulder. It's always going up by the triangles, guys. So now you have both of them. You have the triangle and you have the head and shoulder. Now, if the Bitcoin break that level here, you're going to see it at 10K. If it's breaking for you that triangle up here, you're going to see Bitcoin at 60K, guys. Remember my word, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what 4 hours doing right now for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and in 4 hours, it's very simple here. Look with me here. What you see in here? That very stronger level, guys. And down here, what you see in here? Here, in that level, what you see? It's a very stronger level, guys. Or a supply level or demand level, name it whatever you want. Here, the one in the top, when it's getting broke, every time the market came to it, it's reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. Yes or no? It couldn't break it yet. And even the one down, the same thing, guys, as you see it. And now the market, it's staying here sideways, guys. In that level here, the market now, it's sideways. Yes or no? And the market here give you all the pattern you're thinking of. Look at it. If you bring it like that, that's a W, guys, to down. If you bring it to up, like that, it's going to give you triple bottom, guys. Now, when is it the right time to know is it the right time to buy or to sell, guys? Let's focus about that one here, about that level here, and that one here. I zoom it. What did I told you, guys? Me before, if you've been with us for some time, what did I told you? The people that been with me, they know those things, but those ones, they just came. I will repeat it, it's okay. What did I said? I said every time, 4 times, guys. How many touch top? Calculating with me. That 1, that here 2, and here 3. Down how many times? 1, 2, and here we are, the third one. Now what the market is going to do now? It's going to come up to give you the 4th one, guys. You get it or no? After the 4th one, it's going to come maybe down to give you the 4th one. Then after that, we're going to see where it's going to break, either up or down. Everything is too clear, guys. And here, what you got? Another thing, very, very clear and simple, guys. Look at it. Talk with me. What you see in here? A very clear wage, guys. A very, 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 very clear wage. Should you enter now long or short? Not yet, guys. It doesn't break in, no one of those ones. I tell you in the last video, if it's breaking for you the top of that wage here, enter long. If it's breaking that one, enter long. Did it break it? Not yet, guys. What I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. Look at it, guys. What I got. That yellow level here, it's still very stronger. The top of that channel is here. The lower of that channel is down here. It doesn't touch the lower of it, guys. So that man, it's still more room to fall down till 17K, guys. As you see it, me, I got it here with pink. Is it at 17,207, guys? That the level me I got. And that level here, By the way, that level here is it at 19,462, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. I know what to do. Don't do nothing. Don't buy, don't sell, guys. It's need to break that level, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it done for us, something very, very, very clear here. It came to that wall in the middle, as you see it. He couldn't break it. Now it's going back. What that indicating to you guys? People who follow me, what that indicating to you? If you know it, write it down in a comment. Did you write it? That indicating, guys, there is no powers of the buyers to push it up and to take it out from the level of the bears to the level of the bulls. There is no power. There is no people they want to buy now. I'm not talking about retail sellers. I'm talking about big whales in the crypto market, guys. Big whales, they still believe in the Bitcoin is going to dump more down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Look at that. Everything is too clear. Every time he came to that wall, as we have here in the middle, look at it, how many times. He couldn't break, and he stay always sideways here, or ranging here. And when he came to it here, also we said maybe that one is going to break. Now it go back inside. Yes, if you came here like that, to that smaller one like that, you see you got a small trend line. Maybe that one is going to touch it here, then after that to go back. But me, personally, I think also we still down here. Should we buy now, guys? Not yet. It's need to break for us that level here, guys. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, what did I told you in the last video? I told you also we are here at the oversold area. When we are in the oversold area, what we are looking for, guys? We are looking only for buying opportunities, guys. Yes or no? So that one, we passed it. The next thing is what we need to go. We need to have a very stronger level. You are in a very stronger level, guys. The third thing, and that one, the most important, guys, the most important of that whole strategy. What is it? You need to have a price action, guys. And the price action, where is it? Is here. Did it break it? Not yet, guys. Should you enter now? Of course not, because the market doesn't break for you the price action. So it's an extra filter for you to know you are exactly the right time to buy and to enter long, guys. And the price action always working, guys, because those indicators, it might that one enter here to the oversold area, but the price action doesn't break. So that one, it will still falling. Look how it happened here. Look at it. Look from where till where. Same thing here. It needs to break for you the price action, guys. If it doesn't, don't enter, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it the market doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Stop the video and pause it and go and smash in the like button. It will not take you 1 second, guys. Smash it. Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember and you've been with us, what else we saying before? Here, at that level here. What else we said? Said the market, it give you here a head and shoulder like that. Like how me I do it now. Did it breaking for you the top? Not yet, guys. And yesterday here me I told you to sell, guys. Now what you got there? If you zoom it, what you see in here? Here in that zone, what you see? You came here to that one and to that one like that, and you came here and here. What you seeing, guys? Now give you here a triangle. You can even do another thing here. What is it? You came here and here. What is it, that, guys? It's a flag. Can even came like that. That it's a flag, guys. Yes or no? Should you enter long now? Not yet, guys. The market doesn't break for you that smaller flag here, or the down channel, or name it whatever you want. The names doesn't matter, guys. It might from here to go back till here, then it go back down. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. What it's saying here? You are at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? You are in a very stronger level. Yes or no, guys? Price action. Where is it? You can even come like that and to draw a trend line like that, guys. Small trend line like that. Or to draw a channel like that. And to wait in the market to come to break it for you here. And to break for you the 200 moving average. And after that, it will go in higher, guys. And when that one reach here to the overbought area, you take profit, guys. But not yet. It needs to break for you that trend line as we said. And here, what the 200 moving average saying, guys. Look at that. I just ask you here a simple question. When something doing like that, what it mean to you? It mean it's falling. When it doing like that, what it meant to you? It's flat. When it doing like that, it's going up, or it's an uptrend. What the 200 moving average showing here, guys, is getting slower and slower and slower and slower and slower. So now you are in a flat market, guys. That's what I told you before. I told you, I think we are in a accumulation level, guys, and that the right time for investors to start this, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, guys. Bye for now.